What to do if you witness an overdose? Overdoses are becoming more common, and knowing how to respond can save a life. Whether the overdose involves opioids like fentanyl, heroin, or prescription painkillers, acting quickly is crucial. Here is a step-by-step guide on what to do if you witness someone overdosing. Recognizing the signs of an overdose? The first step is to check for signs that someone is overdosing. A person experiencing an overdose may be unconscious or unresponsive, have slow or no breathing, sometimes making gasping or gurgling sounds, have blue or gray lips and fingertips, have pinpoint pupils, very small and unreactive to light, feel cold and clammy. Even if they are awake but acting strangely, they could still be in danger. It's important to act fast. Call 911 immediately. As soon as you recognize an overdose, call 911. Even if you have Narcan, naloxone, emergency medical help is still needed. When speaking to the dispatcher, say something like, "I think someone is overdosing." Describe their symptoms such as they are not breathing or they are unconscious. Avoid using the phrase drug overdose, since it may slow down response times. In many places, Good Samaritan laws protect those who call 911 in an overdose situation, so you won't get in trouble for helping. Administer naloxone, Narcan, if available. Narcan is an over-the-counter medication that reverses opioid overdoses. If you have Narcan, follow these steps. Spray one dose into one nostril. It will work even if the person isn't breathing. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. If there is no response, give a second dose in the other nostril. If the person wakes up, stay with them, as they could still be at risk of overdosing again. It is important to note that Narcan only works on opioid overdoses, such as heroin, fentanyl, and oxycodone. If the overdose is caused by another drug, the person will still need CPR and emergency care. Help them breathe. If the person is not breathing, you can help keep them alive until medical professionals arrive. Tilt their head back to open the airway. Give rescue breaths by pinching their nose, covering their mouth with yours, and breathing into their lungs every 5 seconds. If you know CPR, begin chest compressions to keep oxygen flowing. Stay with them until help arrives. Even if the person wakes up, they still need medical attention. Some drugs last longer than Narcan, which means they could overdose again once it wears off. If the person remains unconscious, continue giving rescue breaths every 5 seconds. If they stop breathing again, give another dose of Narcan. What not to do. When responding to an overdose, avoid these common mistakes. Do not leave them alone. They could stop breathing again. Do not try to force them to walk it off. Overdoses do not go away on their own. Do not put them in a cold shower. This can cause shock. Do not slap or shake them. It will not wake them up. Preventing overdoses. One of the best ways to prevent overdose deaths is to be prepared. Narcan is available in many places without a prescription and can save lives. Additionally, if you or someone you know takes opioids, never use them alone. Having someone nearby can make a critical difference in an emergency. You can save a life. If you witness an overdose, taking action can mean the difference between life and death. By recognizing the signs, calling for help, administering Narcan, and providing rescue breaths, you could save someone's life.